Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make your iPhone aesthetic. To make your iPhone aesthetic, you can customize various elements on your home screen and overall interface to reflect your personal style. Here are several ways to enhance the aesthetics of your iPhone. So the first method is to choose a wallpaper. To do this is to go to Settings, Wallpaper, choose a new wallpaper. You can choose from dynamic, stills, or your own photos. You can use aesthetic images. Use high quality images that match your aesthetic. You can find wallpapers on websites like Unflash or Pinterest, or create your own using a photo editing apps or just your camera. You can also, for a cleaner look, consider using gradient or minimalist wallpapers that don't distract from your icons. Next method, organize your home screen. Declutter your apps. Remove unused apps and organize the remaining apps into folders by category. Example, social, productivity, photography. Another method, use widgets to personalize your home screen. To add widgets, just long press on your home screen to enter edit mode. Then tap on the plus icon and choose from various widgets options. Another method, while iOS doesn't allow direct changes to fonts and colors system-wide, you can use the accessibility settings to adjust text size and contrast under settings, accessibility, display, and text size. Another method, enable dark mode. Dark mode can provide a sleek, modern look. Just go to settings, display and brightness, and choose dark. This will change the system UI to a dark color scheme, which can enhance some aesthetics. And lastly, customize your home screen based on different focus modes. For example, work, personal. To do this is to go to settings, focus, set your different modes, and choose specific home screen pages to appear for each mode. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.